In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Fusion Markets Forex broker account. Now, the first thing you have to do, you have to go to fusionmarkets.com, and then on here, you want to click on Create an Account in the top right. Now, after you do this here, it's going to take you to a specific page, there we go, where you basically can sign up. Now, the first thing you have to put in is your email, your password, and then you have to confirm the password, and you have to also confirm you are over 18 years old, and you have to accept the terms and conditions. After you do that, you can click on the sign up button, and your account will be created. Or, of course, you could also sign up using Apple or Google, okay? So in case you want to use these, you can do that as well. And after you do it, then you're going to be able to log into your account, and you'll be able to see your dashboard from Fusion Market. So this is their hub over here, and then you'll be able to create your accounts in here, deposit, start trading, get their platforms, etc. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.